Alright, so I've got some whiting fish that I've cooked, I mean not cooked, but I've rinsed off in vinegar, let it drain. So I'm going to put some seasoning on it. So I've got some Old Bay, put some Old Bay on there. Get tired of fried fish, so I'm going to stew it today. Some lemon pepper. This is just Kingsford lemon pepper. Got to put lemon on fish. You can put natural lemon, or you can just use the powder, but lemon really makes fish taste good. Okay, so here's my pan. Just going to put it in skin side down. Fish does not take long to cook, guys. So basically we're going to be steaming this. Stew it, steam it, whatever you want to call it. Let my seasoning go in there. Okay. So I'm going to put some of my green seasoning on it. Okay. So I'm going to cut up some onions and tomatoes and put that on there. Then I'm going to cover it and we're going to let it simmer. Okay, so chop tomatoes in half. I'll put it in quarters. And turn the fire on. Let me see. I'm going to put it on 4, which is like medium. So rinse these tomatoes off. Okay, so I'm going to use like half of this big onion. This onion's huge. Okay, and I'm going to slice it. Look good in there. Put any salt on the fish. I don't think it's necessary. And I'm going to put half a can of canned tomatoes on it, and that's going to give it a bit of salt. Anything that's canned has a lot of salt in it usually. Alright, so you want to separate all of these. And you're going to sprinkle it on your fish. Oh, this fish is whiting, by the way, if I didn't say anything. They look pretty. Very pretty. So I am out of stewed tomatoes. So what I'm going to do is put some chili garlic sauce in there. And a bit of ketchup. It's going to give it color and flavor. This is real spicy, so if you don't like spicy stuff, I wouldn't advise to use much of this. But if you had, I usually buy spicy stewed tomatoes, so I was going to put half a cup of that in there, but I see I'm out. You could tell I wing it a lot when I'm cooking. Alright, so let me get the ketchup. Okay, so I'm just going to shake the container then Squirt some of this in there. Alright, and I'm going to put cover on it. Let it simmer. This is going to be so good. And have this with some rice and some cabbage. Okay. So simmer for about, check it in about 30 minutes because it's on medium. So here is the finished look of the fish. Looks really good. So I'm going to serve that with some rice.